Welcome to this year's Flash Mob Everything Goes Dance Studio. As you know, Miss Kelsey's been really busy, so Scottish Highland is going to give you a tutorial on Wavin flag, which is our flash mob for this year. There's no parts, everybody's unified, we all do the whole thing. It's going to be really fun, so I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. All right, so the music starts, and we're actually, let's part just a little bit. So, we're just walking around doing our thing. And we hear the drum rolls, so you're gonna air drum. And then come to your place, and then you're gonna pat your thighs, clap, clap, and then flip your hair, and then do it again. Pat, pat, clap, clap, flip your hair, okay? Now we're gonna roll, so you're gonna make fists, roll them in front of your body, and you're gonna go forward and to the right, and to the back, and to the left, and forward, and to the right, and to the back, and to the left. Now we're gonna jump to the side, jump, clap, clap, jump, clap, clap, and we're gonna do it to the left, jump, clap, clap, jump, clap, clap. Now you're gonna take your right foot and turn left, and you're gonna stomp, fist, pump, and then stomp to the back, stomp, fist, pump, side, stomp, fist, pump, and the front, stomp, fist, pump. Now we're gonna do a little thing called Soldier Boy. You're gonna kind of lean back, put one arm out to the right, cross the other one over it, and then pull them back and snap. I do that 4 times, so to the left, 3, 4. Now, this part is kind of confusing, but you're gonna stack your hands on your thighs, stack, stack, and then you're gonna stack them in the air, stack, stack, and then you're gonna wave them, and do it to the other side. Leg, leg, air, air, wave, wave. Now, you're gonna cup your hands like you're yelling, okay? The words are, sing it forever young. Okay, you can yell it or not, but at least look like you're yelling. Now we're gonna get our flags out and kind of cabbage patch them. So we're gonna sing songs underneath the sun, and then we're gonna rejoice in the beautiful game. So we're still waving our flag around, and then we're gonna drum roll. And we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, can you do that with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now this is the fun part. Who knows who Mario is? Mario, the little guy that jumps around. Okay, so we're gonna kind of be Mario. We're gonna go to the right, we're gonna go slow, and we're gonna do 2 quick to face the other side. Quick, quick, slow, and now we're gonna wave our both arms up. Wave, wave. Now point, you just hung up your flag, point at it. But guess what, your neighbor has a flag. So we're gonna bend down and point to our neighbor's flag. All right, and then we're gonna do that again to the left. So Mario slow, fast, fast, slow, wave, wave, point to your flag, bend down, point to your neighbor's flag. Okay? Any questions on that? Then we repeat the whole thing a couple of times. Let's put it to music. P.S. After we do the Mario move, we're gonna wave our flags. So remember, the Mario move is we start to the right, slow, quick, quick, slow. Okay, so we go slow, quick, quick, slow, wave it up, point, bend and point to the left. Quick, quick, slow, wave and point, bend and point, and wave your flag, and wave your flag, and wave your flag. There's a lot of the flag waving in this song. And then at the very end,
we're gonna peace out to the plaza, give them our love and our thanks, and say, "Mwah!
Bye,
Thank you,
Plaza."
Plaza. Bye.